Hello, in this video we will be discussing Collaborate Ultra's whiteboard and file sharing tools. Let's begin. Okay, this is a quick video on how to use the whiteboard and how to share files in Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. In order to do both, you need to be upgraded to at least a presenter status. Just as a participant will not allow you to do both of those things. So you need to make sure that you're at presenter status. If you do not come in as a presenter, then just ask the moderator to bump you up. So you're going to be able to find both under the Collaborate panel down here on the bottom right of your screen. If you click it, you'll notice as a presenter you have an extra tab. You still have your chat, you still have your attendees, and then the extra tab will be a share content tab. So when you click on that, you have three options up here. Well, you have several options, but right now we're just going to go over the two. You can share a blank whiteboard. So if you click on that, you can see a whiteboard come up on the screen, and you can close that to make it bigger. This is just a plain whiteboard. Nothing can really get saved from it. You can, of course, hit the record button and record while you're on the whiteboard, but it's very difficult to actually save stuff from it. Up here in the top left, you can see your tools. You have a pointer. Well, first you have an arrow for selection. You have a pointer, a pencil, shapes, text, and then eraser. So let's go to the pencil, and you can see you can also change colors once it's there. So if you have multiple people on a drawing board, they can use a certain color, or you can choose a certain color, and it works just like a pencil. You can freehand some things, which is very hard to do, but you can. The next one is shapes. So if you go over there, you can choose which type of shape. You can just do a freehand for just a line. You can do a circle or, of course, a rectangle. So we'll show you both. There's your rectangle. You can also change colors for them. So you can do multiple colors. Your circle works the same. And then your line, you can see, is just a straight line. It's a lot easier to make a more defined line with that tool. You can grab them. So if you go back over to the select, you can actually highlight it and you can move it around. You can make it bigger and smaller, I do believe. Yes, there we go, bigger, smaller. The other one on the list is the text. So basically this just gives you a text box, and of course you can change the color as well. And you just click and you can just start typing. You just keep adding your text box wherever you want. The next one is the erase or the clear, and when we click this, just know that it clears the entire whiteboard. So you can't just clear one thing or another, and it clears the entire whiteboard. So if you click it, everything's going to go. So that is your whiteboard. If we go back to the Collaborate panel, you can see the third one down is share files. So if you click on that, basically what you do is you just click to upload any PowerPoint, any image or anything from that you may want to share. Okay, so I just clicked and added a PowerPoint to Collaborate here, and once it takes a few minutes to upload, what it does is it takes your PowerPoint and it turns each slide into a PDF. So none of the transitions or anything like that will come across with it, but it just turns it into a PDF. So we're going to hit share now, and it's going to let you choose where you want in the slide show to begin. So we're going to choose the first one, and you can simply just scroll through them like with the arrow down here, or if you need to skip from multiple slides, you can do so as well. So you can just over here on the side, you can choose where you want to hop through your slides. So pretty easy. Thank you so much. Thank you for viewing the video. If you need any assistance, please feel free to visit the link on the screen. Thank you.